What's up, you guys? It's Shane from Learnerpreneur, and in this video you're going to learn how to adjust clips on TikTok. TikTok is pretty cool in that it makes it possible to film your video in clips, and therefore you can edit each of the clips individually. And it sounds more complicated than it is. It's super easy. So open up TikTok, go down to the bottom center of the screen on your toolbar and click on that plus sign. That'll bring you to your camera, where I'm just going to go ahead and film a few clips back to back. So hang on a second. Alright, so there's my clips. Now from this screen you can see at the top right hand corner there's a couple icons there. The second one down is Adjust Clips. Click on Adjust Clips. Here you can actually adjust this red slider, which will trim the edges of the entire video, all of your clips, in the order that you shot them. What's pretty cool is that underneath this slider you can choose your clips individually by clicking on it, making the edits the same way just by moving this thing around to each of the clips individually. You can also trash it and you can also reshoot it. When you're happy with your edit, just click on the check mark, bottom right hand corner. You can also move the order of the clips. So maybe you want something in a different order. You just press and hold and slide it in the order that you would like. So now it's completely opposite. When you're all set with your changes, just click Save in the top right hand corner and go through the normal things that you would do when you're adding any other effects or sounds or text to your TikTok video. I hope this video helped you on how to adjust clips on TikTok. If it did, smash like, subscribe, and watch this video on the screen to learn another cool trick with TikTok. See you later, guys.